Release information of Air Jordan 2 Low Python 2024. A novel take on the low-top design is the Air Jordan 2 Low Python. This latest release honors Nike's Air Python heritage with a stylish snakeskin pattern. The Air Jordan 2 Low has an elegant and refined look, coming in a color scheme of white, cement gray, sanddrift, neutral gray, and sail gray accents on the inner lining, tongue tabs, winged insignia, heel tab, and sole contrast with a white leather upper, which is perforated for ventilation. The snakeskin accents, which have a silver metallic finish and give the shoe its distinctive look, are what make it special. A sail midsole adds a vintage touch to finish the look. On February 7th, the Air Jordan 2 Low Python will go on sale, so mark your calendars. At $155 SRP.